Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this brilliant 208. It's a limited edition that comes with 16-inch black alloy wheels, as well as reverse parking sensors and tinted rear windows. Inside the car you get the 7-inch touchscreen that comes with DAB digital radio, as well as full Bluetooth connectivity. There's also air conditioning, cruise control, automatic headlights and wipers, and you also get 1 year's warranty, and the car is £20 to tax. So let's have a look around. So if this car is of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.